Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts and homeowners. Welcome back to Gadget World, where we explore the latest innovations to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the world of home automation and cleaning with the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum. This little powerhouse offers a smart and efficient way to maintain a clean home. Join us on this deep dive as we explore its features, performance, and how it can be your trusted cleaning companion. Let's jump right in! First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Shark AV753. It sports a sleek, modern look that'll fit seamlessly into any home decor. Its low-profile design allows it to glide effortlessly under furniture, reaching those often neglected spots with ease. The build quality feels solid, ensuring it can withstand the demands of everyday cleaning. One standout feature is the tri-brush system. This trio of brushes works in harmony to tackle dirt, dust, and debris on various surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets. The result? A thorough and efficient clean that leaves your floors looking spotless. Now let's talk about Wi-Fi connectivity. The Shark AV753 can connect to your home network, allowing you to control it through your smartphone. Imagine scheduling cleaning sessions or giving it a quick clean command, all from the palm of your hand. It also plays well with voice assistants like Alexa, making it even more convenient to integrate into your smart home ecosystem. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes on a single charge, this robot vacuum can cover a significant area before needing a recharge. Whether you have a cozy apartment or a spacious home, it's got the stamina to keep your floors clean without constant interruptions. What about multi-surface cleaning? The Shark AV753 adapts effortlessly to different floor types. It smoothly transitions from hardwood to carpet, ensuring a consistent level of clean throughout your home. Smart navigation is another highlight. It uses sensors and smart algorithms to navigate your home efficiently, avoiding obstacles and making sure it doesn't miss a spot. You can trust it to clean your home thoroughly without requiring constant supervision. Now let's talk about maintenance. Like any device, regular maintenance is key to keeping your Shark AV753 performing at its best. We'll cover the essential maintenance tasks to ensure your robot vacuum stays in top shape. In conclusion, the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a smart home companion that takes the hassle out of maintaining a clean living space. With its sleek design, tri-brush system, Wi-Fi connectivity, impressive runtime, multi-surface capabilities, and smart navigation, it's a reliable addition to your home. If you found this review informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more reviews and tech insights. Explore the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum through our Amazon affiliate link below. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest in innovative home technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've experienced the Shark AV753 or if you're considering it to simplify your home cleaning routine. Until next time, may your floors stay clean and your tech choices be smarter.